Welcome to Miracle Meals. Today we're diving into the world of chia seeds, tiny seeds with massive benefits. Stay tuned as we uncover some fun facts and essential nutrition info about these little wonders. First off, did you know that chia seeds are ancient superfoods? That's right. They were a staple in the Aztec and Mayan diets, valued for their ability to provide sustainable energy. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. Not only are they historical, but chia seeds are also nutritional powerhouses. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they're excellent for heart health. Just 2 tablespoons contain nearly 5 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber, which is about 40% of the recommended daily intake. And here's a fun fact. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, making them fantastic for hydration and prolonging hydration in your meals. Their gel-like consistency when soaked makes them a popular vegan substitute in baking. Think of them as nature's tiny sponges. Chia seeds are also incredibly versatile. Whether you sprinkle them into a smoothie, stir them into yogurt, or bake them into your muffins, they maintain their nutrient-rich profile. They're flavor neutral, so they'll boost your food without overpowering it.